iQOO has published the official spare part prices for the iQOO 15 Ultra following its launch in China. The company lists the screen, battery, motherboard, and camera modules among the key components covered under its repair policy. The standard screen replacement costs 1,590 yuan, $223, while customers who return their damaged screens for recycling can get it at a discounted rate of 1,190 yuan, $167. The company says all returned displays will be sent back to the factory for eco-friendly processing. Battery replacement is priced at 199 yuan, $28, and the rear cover costs 245 yuan, $34. Motherboard pricing depends on the memory and storage configuration. The 16GB plus 512GB option is priced at 3,260 yuan, $456, the 16GB plus 1TB version at 3,650 yuan, $511, and the top-tier 24GB plus 1TB model at 3,850 yuan, $539. iQOO has priced the front camera module at 90 yuan, $13. The main rear camera costs 295 yuan, $41, the telephoto module costs 285 yuan, $40, and the ultra-wide camera costs 115 yuan, $16. The company also shared the prices for accessories. The charger costs 199 yuan, $28, and the data cable is priced at 89 yuan, $12. For out-of-warranty devices, the service center charges a fixed labor fee of 50 yuan, $7. If multiple components are replaced in a single visit, the labor fee applies only once.